I have worked with NECC for many years, and I have personally seen through Mr. Subraju how difficult it is to coordinate and declare the NECC egg price. If the work starts at 4 o'clock in the morning, the phone calls continue until 10 o'clock at night. You have to coordinate with every zone and speak with every trader. Otherwise, even a small disagreement or lack of coordination can affect the rate that we finally receive. When someone works under such pressure, there are naturally moments of frustration. Sometimes we get angry, and sometimes people may not understand what we are trying to explain. All of this is part of the process. Mr. Shekar Reddy, as you all know, is a very sharp and dedicated person. Sometimes he gets angry quickly, but at the same time, he is extremely committed to his responsibility. I have personally seen many occasions when Mr. Shekar Reddy's blood pressure and sugar levels increased because of the stress, but despite that, he continued to work patiently. One thing for which he deserves special appreciation is the way he coordinates with the traders. Many times, he has sat with them, explained the situation to them, brought them together, and worked patiently to reach an understanding. He has also coordinated with every zone across India. There have been meetings on Mondays, Wednesdays, and other days, where he patiently discussed the issues and worked towards a common understanding. The fact that we have reached an egg price of 7 rupees is not the result of the effort of just one day. This kind of work requires commitment for 365 days a year. You all understand this. It is not something that can be achieved in a single day.